What do you know about plant growth? Growth is one of the most fundamental and conspicuous characteristics of living organisms. Growth may be defined as an irreversible increase in mass, weight, and size of living organisms. In most cases, it results in the increase in dry weight and the amount of protoplasm. Growth in higher plants includes cell division, enlargement, and differentiation. Increase in the number and size of the cells by itself cannot account for the development of an organized plant. Example, when a seed is sown, it does not become a larger seed, but it grows as a seedling. Thus, growth is always accompanied by differentiation. Differentiation is the transformation of identical cells into different tissues. Depending upon the various structural, functional, and physiological needs of the plant tissues are of different types. Growth and differentiation results in development, which leads to growth form of the plant. Meristematic cells present in the plant body, namely root, shoot apices, and the cambium, are responsible for growth in plants. Let us discuss about the phases of growth. The growth in length of a plant is due to the meristematic activity of the apical meristems that takes place in root and shoot apices. Whereas increase in thickness of stem and root is due to the activity of lateral meristem. Now let us see how the period of growth is divided. The period of growth is divided into formation. Formation involves the forming of new cells. It has a lag phase. Elongation. Elongation involves newly formed cell that is enlarged in size. It has a log phase. And maturation. In maturation, cells attain a permanent size and form. They have steady state phase. What do you know about sigmoid curve? In the annual plants, the last phase, that is the steady state phase, is followed by senescence, that is arrest of growth and death. However, in the case of large trees, each growing season exhibits a sigmoidal pattern of growth. From the graph, you can observe the sigmoidal pattern of growth.